iQOO is all set to launch its next generation of iQOO Z9 series smartphones on August 21st in India. The lineup will feature two models, the iQOO Z9s and the iQOO Z9s Pro. Design. The devices will be available in two colors. The pill-shaped camera module is positioned on the top left with one sensor at the top and another beneath it. Performance. The iQOO Z9s will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Display. The iQOO Z9s will feature a 6.78-inch 120Hz 3D curved AMOLED panel with a peak brightness of 1,800 nits. Camera. The iQOO Z9s will come with a 50-megapixel Sony IMX82 primary sensor with OIS, 4K recording, and Super Night Mode. It also includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle Lang lens. Software features. iQOO has confirmed additional software features like AI Photo Enhance and AI Erase. Battery and charging. Despite being only 7.49 millimeters thick, the phone houses a 5,000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.